Hello everyone, my name is Ronak Sharma. We are pre-final year student first in BTech in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering from DAB Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jalandhar. These are the partners of our project team, Rasmita, Abhishek and Anku. We are conducted a survey on the topic of data on Internet of Medical Things under the guidance of Mr. Naren Singh Rekhi and our HOD Dr. Niru Malhotra. Here in this presentation video, our team will explain you about how medical data is important, why we collecting data and many other interesting topics. So keep watching till the end of the video. Now Rasmita will start with an introduction of data.
Thank you, Ronak. Have you ever think that how much data we create every day by using smartphone, smart healthcare devices and any other extra activities? According to the survey, every day we create roughly 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. In the present slide, we consider patient medical data. It may include information relating to their past and present illness, treatment history, etc. Now in doctor's data, it includes personal information such as gender, post-health and field of specialization, and also medicine data include medicine information like company name, manufacturer data, etc. We found that around 39% people agreed that IoT devices is impactful for easy disease diagnosis, save money, save time, and it is best for patient caring. Now, shows that core element of medical data. MTR basically systematic process of collecting data, and FPMR refers to personal medical record to list of all the medicines that you are currently taking. Most important aspect in medical field is healthcare systems. Healthcare system is the organization of people, institutes and resources that deliver healthcare services to meet the health need of target population. Now, Abhishek will tell you about importance of data and its benefits.
Thank you, Rasmita. Let's talk about importance of healthcare. As you see in the present slide, by using patient data, it is easy to improve the quality and safety of treatment, help to improve evaluating policy and many more. Now, according to the survey, around 41% people believes that intermediate amount of information comfortable sharing with the IoT healthcare device and service provider. Let's talk about how medical data is beneficial for patient. By the medical data, we provide better healthcare professionals. It helps regular up-to-date health data and new medical products and treatment for individuals. Now current slide shows the age-wise distribution of COVID-19 hospitalization. Around 25% people in the age 21 to 30 years have affected by COVID-19. Next slide will explain by Anku.
Thank you, Abhishek. Healthcare providers is an individual health professional, and a healthcare provider also is any provider from whom the university or the employees group health plan will accept medical certification to give proof to claim for benefits. Now in this slide we talk about challenge. One of the major challenge of data in IOMT to keep privacy and security of data. Second challenge is data management because in digital era huge amount of data are present. Next slide will explain by Rona.
Thank you Anku. Here in this slide, we discuss about solution of data. So data means any product, service or other solution which is modified or enhanced by, incorporated with, developed or created using, derived from or derives benefit from any part of the data. By the survey, we found that around 68% people want to have personal healthcare device advisor in their home. At the end of this presentation, we can say every country needs to use and manage its population health data to learn how health field can be better delivered. Thank you.